These are the tools I use as a beginner. Today, I'm sharing the tools that will make gardening a little easier and the ones you don't need. These are my everyday essentials. Nothing fancy, just the necessity. I purchased this on Amazon, and it even came with an apron that can hold all the tools and a bag that I can place all my tools in. Don't forget that. And my spray bottle. You don't need all the fancy stuff, at least not when you're starting out. These are beginner friendly and budget friendly. I purchased it on Amazon for like $20-something for the kit. And everything fits inside of this bag. You can either put them in the pockets on the outside, and place other items in the bag, but they can fit in the bag or outside the bag. Everything I need as a beginner. There's more items that came with it, but these are things that I use and will use. Use what you have, add what you need, and just grow from there.